Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to take you on a journey into a world that most of us rarely think about. A world filled with mystery, fear, beauty, and incredible survival. This is the world of snakes. Snakes have existed on our planet for more than 100 million years. They lived alongside the dinosaurs, survived the great mass extinction, and adapted to nearly every environment on Earth. From the scorching deserts of Africa to the thick rainforests of the Amazon, from the mountains of Asia to the deep oceans where sea snakes thrive, these animals are true masters of survival. Yet, despite their importance, snakes are often feared, misunderstood, and sometimes even hated. Today, I want to help change that. Let's begin with a simple fact. There are about 4,000 species of snakes in the world, and only around 200 of them are dangerous enough to cause serious harm to humans. That means more than 95% of snakes are completely harmless. They don't want to attack us. In fact, their first instinct is always to escape, not to confront. Snakes are essential for our ecosystem. Without snakes, the world would face massive disasters. Why? Because snakes control the population of rats, insects, and other pests. A single rat can destroy crops, spread diseases, and cause damage worth billions of dollars. But one snake can eat hundreds of rats in a single year. In many places, farmers consider snakes to be their silent protectors, nature's natural pest controllers. Now, let's talk about something that fascinates many people: venom. Snake venom is not just a weapon, it is a biological miracle. A drop of venom can be deadly, but that same venom has given us life-saving medicines. Today, many important drugs, including treatments for heart attacks, high blood pressure, and blood clots, were developed using snake venom. Scientists believe that snake venom may even help find cures for cancer in the future. Isn't it amazing? The creature we fear the most may hold the key to saving millions of lives. One of the most interesting things about snakes is how diverse they are. The anaconda of South America can weigh more than 100 kilograms and grow longer than a car. The reticulated python is the longest snake on Earth, reaching over 30 feet in length. In contrast, the Barbados thread snake is so tiny that it can curl up on a coin. Then there are the astonishingly fast and dangerous species. The black mamba, capable of speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour, is one of the fastest snakes in the world. The inland taipan, found in Australia, has venom so powerful that a single bite can kill multiple humans. Yet, incredibly, it is shy and rarely ever seen. Many snakes have extraordinary senses. They don't have ears like ours, but they can feel vibrations through the ground. Some, like vipers and pythons, have heat-sensing pits that allow them to see warm-blooded animals in complete darkness. They use their tongues not to smell, but to collect tiny particles from the air, helping them track prey with astonishing accuracy. Another fascinating feature is how snakes move. They have no legs, yet they can climb trees, swim across oceans, burrow underground, and glide across sand dunes with incredible speed and grace. Some snakes, like the paradise flying snake, can even stretch their ribs and glide from tree to tree, almost like nature's own version of a flying dragon. But beyond their beauty and mystery, snakes teach us something important. Everything in nature has a purpose. No creature is created without reason. Snakes help maintain the balance of life on Earth. They protect crops, control diseases, inspire medicine, and remind us of evolution's incredible creativity. Unfortunately, many snakes are now endangered because of human fear, habitat destruction, and illegal trading. Every year, millions of snakes are killed unnecessarily. What we must understand is that killing snakes does not make us safer. It only damages our environment. We need education, awareness, and respect for these remarkable animals. Learning about snakes helps remove fear and replace it with knowledge. When we understand them, we learn to appreciate them. And when we appreciate them, we learn how to protect them. So the next time you hear the word snake, I want you to remember this. Snakes are not monsters. They are ancient survivors, guardians of our fields, healers in our laboratories, and a vital part of our planet's story. In the end, snakes don't threaten our existence. They protect it. They don't bring imbalance. They restore it. They don't deserve fear. They deserve respect.